Okay, so I am updating the cyclic voltammetry file to make it easier, and this was originally made in 2012 for Sagantika, and then in 2015 I had made it for Jose, and now it's 2023, updating this for Hassan. So I am testing this with 10 files that Hassan sent to me, but looking at the text files, they're all sort of saturated. So this is really for testing the dot, the script. And you see here there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of this channel, and there's 5 of another channel. But what happens is the channels, I had expected them to be with a dash. So this particular .m file is not finding the channels as part of the file name because it was -ch instead of _ch. So that is not going to work. Instead, I'm just calling all the channels equal 1. So this is setting this up as 1, even when we are reading channel 8, for example. So there are 10 files. I would like to see all of them in one page, and therefore I am putting here the rows as 2 and the columns as 5. So what happens is all those 10 files are going to be read at the same time. So each time I run this, because I don't want to keep seeing the figures, I'm going to call first clear all to clear all the variables on the workspace on the right side here. But also, you see in the back there is a figure there. If I say close all, those figures should go away. So once it's all clear, and I know that in my current folder there is the plotCV. Oopsie, not this one. And also I don't need this. I can delete possibly here. I also can delete this. I put the .m file here in the same directory where all my CV files are. And to define a CV file, it's _CV. That means my MATLAB, the plot 23, plot CV 230222 and P should work. So let's take a look. I'm not sure you can see the several files here. And these are the channel 8 and 1. And now these are all the 10 in 1. In figure 12, finally, it's all the runs in 1. Of course, this first one is the channel 1, and the second one here is channel 8. So it's not that good if you have several different electrodes. But here what's happening is that these CVs are saturating at, they are going from maybe 100,000 nanoamps, which is 100 microamps, so minus 100 microamps. So we need to fix that somehow, but these CVs are not really what we'd like to see. So I hope this helps with my code.